Hi guys, so today I'm going to be opening my iPhone 15 that I made. It's not a real one, but it would be awesome if I had a real one, but I don't. So yeah, this is the phone case. We'll get to that in a little bit, so let's pass that on. So this is the phone that I got. Let's open it and see what color I got. So inside, here's the phone. I'm going to reveal it. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so I got a pink color. It's like a squishy. And then it has home. That's nice. And then how's that manual? Okay. And then it has 4 things. So let's check it off. This is the first thing. It's a wet wipe because the phone has a wet wipe. But you need it. Here we go. That's done. Let's check it off. Done. Check it off. Wait, number 2. So what's number 2? This is a dry wipe. Now it's all dry and fun. Oh my gosh, it's upside down. Dry and fun, and it's so pretty. Okay, so we can pass the wipes over there. Let's check that off. Okay, next it comes with these little cutie cards. So let's see which ones I get. I'm so excited for these cutie cards. I did not know that came with these. Well, I kind of made it, so I did, but whatever. Okay, guys, so these are all the cutie cards I got. I got this one. It's like a sunset, maybe. I got a dress. Cute little heart dress. Salt and vinegar chips. And 2 birds. They're so cute. Okay, now let's see what I could get. Okay, rare was a sunflower, birds, nest, and vinegar chips. Guys, I got the birds and the vinegar chips. Rare! Okay, let's see. Legendary was a girl, a dress, and gum. I got a dress. And common was a sunset, paint, and tree. And I got a sunset. So that was fun. Okay, pass that over there. And I also made these little things. They're like thing. That's cute. Okay, so let's turn my thing on. I gotta enter the password. My password, that. You guys probably didn't see it. Okay, guys, I'm going to go into text. Okay, let's go on to home screen again and go to camera. See camera over there? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Take a picture and turn my phone off. We can put that all to the side. And now for my final thing, which is the mystery case. Let's see what I get. Oh my god, guys, it's a little, like, I don't know, a bird. Yes, a bird. I forgot what it's called for a second. So let's put this thing on. Remember to subscribe and like this video, and they had fun enjoying unboxing an iPhone 15, and I will be making one how to make it, baby. One day I will. I will promise you that. So Bye-bye. Hope you liked the video. Remember to subscribe.